IELTS Speaking Part 1 Questions and Answer.
What's your full name?
My name is Roni Ahmed. You may call me Roni.
Where are you from?
I am from Sylhet, Bangladesh, which is the northeastern part of Bangladesh.
Do you get on well with your family?
Yes, I do. I love to spend time with them by visiting, taking food and so on.
What do you do at the weekend?
Usually, I do so many things, such as assisting my mom, visiting different places with friends, and so on.
Who do you like to spend your free time with?
Frankly speaking, I love to pass my leisure time with my best friend by gossiping, hanging out, taking pictures, so on.
What is the difference between urban and rural area?
There are many differences in urban and rural areas. They differ in size, infrastructure facilities available, and climate. Cities are bigger compared to villages in terms of area. Next, they wider roads, flyovers, multi-story complexes and shopping malls. Whereas old houses, narrow roads and natural landscape are usually found more in rural areas. Last, climate of urban areas is more polluted and noisier compared to cleaner, healthier, natural and more peaceful climate of village.
What are the perception of urban people for countryside people?
I think people of urban areas perceive rural people as incompetent and rustic. They think people in rural areas don't live a privileged life, and hence more and more people are shifting from villages to cities. However, these perceptions are not from all people. Many city dwellers respect rural people and often help them when they come to cities.
What are the consequences of more people migrating to cities from village?
There will be imbalance in the region. As more people live in selected areas, they need more food, water, and shelter. This will put extra load on urban systems and oblige the cities to expand in unorganized pattern. On the other hand, villages start regressing as their dwellers are leaving for cities. This development can bring huge disparity between urban and rural areas.
What should be done to prevent the migration of people from village to cities?
The government must take active interest in this issue. They should provide all the facilities to rural areas like water, drainage, electricity, transport, road system, health facilities, and so on. When people start getting all the facilities in their village, they will not migrate to cities. Only after this, the fruits of economic development can reach every part of our country.
What is better, school life or college life?
Well, both have their own peculiarities. But to me, college life is much better because at college we come out of the innocent world of school and enter the practical world. College is the place where we learn the basics of our social, professional, and practical life.
What are the meeting place of teenagers in your city?
Teenagers in my city meet at restaurant, fast food counters, shopping malls, multiplexes, game parlors, discotheques, and so on. Teenagers are attracted to the lively, youthful, and vibrant ambience of such places.
If the views are boosting, then post another most important video. Thanks for watching.